Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing chicken breast seasoned rice. Here I have a piece of chicken breast. I'm going to wash it in vinegar and cut it up. Here is some of my natural season what I'm going to use in my chicken breast seasoned rice: string bean, scallion, garlic, hot pepper, carrot, tomato, onion, sweet pepper. Some people know it as bell pepper. A red one, green one, and a yellow one. Now I'm going to wash them and clean them up and cut them up and show you the continual process how I do my chicken breast seasoned rice. And here's my chicken breast. I wash it and cut it up. And here is all my natural season. I've been cleaned, washed, and cut up. Now I'm going to show you the continual process how I done my chicken breast seasoned rice. Now I'm going to throw some powder jerk season on my chicken breast. So season it a bit. Some Maggi all-purpose. Then mix it up. Here I have a pot on the stove. Now I'm going to pour a little oil in it. Now I'm going to add my chicken breast. Here I add my chicken breast. I'm going to give it a stir. Stir it a bit. Giving it a stir on low heat. I'm going to leave it now for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's been 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add hot pepper and garlic, my onion, then stir. I add in my scallion, and sweet pepper, or you can call it bell pepper because most people know it as bell pepper. Add in my sweet pepper, my carrot. Now I'm gonna stir. Stir it up a bit. Stirring it. Also add in my string bean. Stir it up. for about 5 minutes to stir fry. It's been 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add my chopped tomato. Stir it up. Stirring it up. Stirring it up. Now I'm adding some water. Now the water is added, I'm gonna put it on high fire now. Then leave it to boil out. Some powder jerk season, all-purpose, and some pink chicken season. Now I'm gonna mix them up and put it in the pot. And there, it's all combined together now. Now the pot is boiling up. Now I'm gonna add this mixed up season in it, powder season. I'm not gonna use any butter. I'm just gonna add some vegetable oil, just a bit. Add in some Grace cock soup. I'm not gonna add a whole pack, just a little. Then I'm gonna stir it up. The cock soup already have salt in it, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt for a little taste. Not a whole lot, because the cock soup already have salt in it, and the powder season also. I'm adding a little salt. Stir it up a bit. Then leave it for about 5 minutes. Then I put in my rice. It's 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add in my rice. Here I have 2 cups of rice, washed. Now I'm gonna add it in the pot. Now I'm putting in my rice. Now I'm gonna stir it up. Stirring up my rice, make sure it's stir up good. Up my rice. Now I'm gonna leave it to cook. My chicken breast Caesar rice finished. Now I'm gonna plate it and show you what it look like. And there, my chicken breast Caesar rice all done. Smells so good, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.